Hello guys, I'm Mechanic Bright. Today I'm gonna show how to install Lumen trailer toolkit. This one is a Ford approved trailer toolkit you guys can buy in Ford dealer. Some of the tool requires 18mm, 15mm, 708, 9, 10mm, and also trim removal tool, also torque wrench. Open the tailgate. There are 4 tie down each side of the end. First remove tie down covers and then remove tie down hook mount for bolts, and then remove cargo space mat. Remove rear scuff plate trim cover. Gently lift up, is easily coming out. I'm showing that these pictures depends on the option of the mud flap. There are different kind of a mud flap. This one is a mud flap bracket attached together bumper. So when you remove the bumper and then first remove mud flap outside screws, or usually 10mm or some of guys 8mm. It depends on factory or aftermarket. There are 2 connectors end of the bumper, and then this connector is both sides 2 connectors. There are 3 bumper mount bolts each side, and a 15mm to the panel, and then 18mm to downside to the frame. So this mud flap hook together toe hook, so you guys remove downside 18mm and then inside 50mm. This 50mm loose is now I'm showing my hand, and also other downside 18mm remove mount bumper mount bolt. After removal all bumper mount bolt, I recommend the 2 guys gently take out from the vehicle. But put the box on the ground, you guys can do that yourself like this. Once you remove a rear bumper, there are bracket, this kind of factory bracket, and then mounted to 18mm. And remove 2 bolts, and then this one is the factory bracket, and there are hidden Hitch trailer wire kit, and that one is Lumen trailer toolkit, and I installed put into the rear bumper frame, and then mount to the 81 foot-pound. Tighten all over 4 Hitch mount bolt 81 foot-pound. Remove factory plug and then connect the Hitch connector. Could you understand that I'm doing my one hand, the other hand is holding the camera. But now get into the Hitch trailer connector to the wire, and then mount to the 10mm bolt and an 89-inch mount. And then now I installed the Hitch connectors mounted. Now it's back to the rear bumper. Rear bumper is so easy, and then just attach the bumper to the hole inside the panel. 15mm I already told you, and then just push in that bumper in the place to the bumper frame, and then tighten the bottom. You guys see that? I push to connect the 2 wires, and the right hand and left hand inside corner. There are 3 bumper mount bolts. The bumper cover side is 15mm. Tighten the bumper bolt. It's only 20 foot-pound. And also downside thicker 18mm to the frame is a 59. Left hand has toe hook also together. and I installed the trailer module. Trailer module located left hand cargo space, trim cover inside. So first need a top side corner, remove corner trim cover, a small one, and then lift up the bottom to the space, a bottom side retainer separate from the bottom panel, and then pull the top side portion and then gently and then separate from the cover. And then this picture is the second row cover plate trim cover, and then top side separate also a metal corner C-pillar. Now it's gently separated from the panel, and then you guys see that there's much space. And then if you want the disconnect, there are electric connector and then immobilizer, but I don't do that. And then much further inside, there are empty plugged module connector, and then plugged with a cap. And then so remove these screws and then unplug the factory empty wire connector caps. And then look at that, there are studded welded vehicle body, and then put into the module onto the stud, and then tighten these three 10mm nut, and then connect to the module, and then put the all parts back together in reverse, and then put the back trim cover, and then all of the space covered, and then need a program module, this kind of configuration. So it needs more power, and then also shifting is different to kind of normal driving, and then so also that's why I need a configuration. And then that's all of I installed new vehicle for the new trailer tow kit. When I searched the Google, also Amazon selling the Bronco tow kit. This one is one of the tow kit from the Amazon, and then almost similar to the Ford approved parts, but they don't selling module. So whatever you guys buy the Ford dealer or Amazon, you guys can do it yourself. Thank you for watching.